living on campus is a big part of the college experience. Just ask John, a psychology major from Marlton, New Jersey. He's an RA, and when you hear what he has to share, you will understand why Ramapo's residence halls consistently rank in the top 2% nationally. Take it away.
Appreciate the introduction, Alex. What's up, guys? When I first came to campus my freshman year, I was extremely nervous. I had never lived by myself before, so I definitely did not know what to expect from the on-campus living experience. Within the first few weeks of living on campus, I began to see Ramapo as a second home. From the beautiful residence halls to the amazing community built by the hardworking residence life staff, you can't help but feel like you're part of the Ramapo family. With 4 years of guaranteed housing for Ramapo residents, you develop bonds and friendships that will last a lifetime. I've been an RA for 2 years now, and seeing the excitement on residents' faces as they come back to campus every summer is something I will never forget. The amenities that come with living on campus don't hurt either. Each room comes with its own AC and heating, microwave, refrigerator, and there are no communal bathrooms. Each student is also provided a free TV subscription and laundry facilities. You can easily walk to the Dunkin' on campus from your suite or apartment, and there are always activities planned in the common areas for residents. Oh, did I mention you can have a car on campus for all 4 years? It's no wonder why Ramapo College is consistently ranked as having the best dorms. When I first started here at Ramapo, I would have never imagined I would love it here as much as I do. Ramapo has not only provided amazing academic opportunities for me to pursue my future career, but also has provided a place that I can call home. No wonder why we say home sweet po. All yours, Alex.
Okay, so let me get this straight. Guaranteed housing for all 4 years. Bring your own car as a freshman. Every room, suite, and apartment has its own private bathroom and refrigerator and microwave and air conditioning. Hey, John, so when can I move in? With nonstop activities in each residence hall, 3 dining areas, plus Dunkin' and Starbucks coffee, and all of these amazing amenities, you're right, John, this is the place to be. That was fantastic. Thanks again for sharing.